Hey loves, in today's video I created this fall inspired makeup look with some new products that I've picked up by LA Colors, and I also tried the ColourPop Cream Gel Color and BFF Cream Gel Liner. I did post an LA Colors haul, but I wanted to use as many of the brand's products as I could in today's video, so the products that were not in that haul, I will be telling you the price and where I purchased them from. If you haven't seen my LA Colors haul yet, I split the video up into two parts. The products I purchased from Dollar Tree and the products I purchased from Family Dollar. If you would like to see what I got, click on the eye in the top right hand corner of your screen. I'm starting off the eye makeup by applying the dark brown shadow in and above the crease of my eye using my E.L.F. eye crease brush. I started off with my crease color, but I usually highlight my brow bone first. To do so, I am taking the Wet n Wild ColorIcon in the shade Brulee on my Vivace eyeshadow brush. I am using my Start Mini Blending Brush to apply the lighter brown shadow right above the deeper one I placed in my crease. I am using my ColorMates eyeshadow brush to further highlight my brow bone with the shimmery champagne shade. Overall, I really like this palette, but I find these shimmers to be especially pretty. And I went back to my Start blending brush to just blend those shadows together so there wouldn't be any harsh lines. For the outer 2/3 of my lid, I am applying this bronzy brown shadow using my E.L.F. eyeshadow brush. While I do find these shimmer shades in this palette quite pretty, I do recommend spritzing your brush because that will intensify the color payoff. On the remainder of my lid, I'm now applying the lighter shimmery brown with my Remy Rose eyeshadow brush. I have recently hauled some new makeup from ColourPop. Mostly they're colorful liners. This is their Cream Gel Color Pot in the shade Best O. It is a gorgeous plum wine shade. And they regularly retail for $6.50, but I used the code BEAUTYCULT to save 10% off of my purchase. I love this eyeliner. It applied so effortlessly. I used the E.L.F. small angled brush to better perfect the shape of my wing, and I just love how my eyeliner came out. I especially like how it complements the brown tones of my eyeshadow. I'm coating my lashes with the LA Colors DramatiLash Defining Mascara that I purchased for $1 from Dollar Tree. Then I applied the Miss 3D Volume Lash in the style M364. With my AOA E115, I'm bringing that bronzy shadow that I applied on the outer 2/3 of my lid down to my lower lash line. For my lower lashes, I am using the LA Colors Eyetensity Amplifying Mascara that I purchased from Family Dollar for $3. I purchased the BFF Cream Gel Liner in the shade Best O. These retail for $5.50. As you can see from the swatches as well as the application, the liner is not as dark as the cream gel color. To complete the eye makeup, I'm using my E.L.F. small smudge brush to highlight the inner corner of my eye with the same shade I used to highlight my brow bone. Time to finish up the rest of my face. I've already done my foundation and highlight. Now I'm bronzing with the LA Colors bronzer in the shade Baked using my Real Techniques Mini Medium Sculpting Brush. I am using my Beauty Accents angled brush to apply the blusher in the shade Natural. It is a soft rosy shade with tiny flecks of silver glitter. I'm highlighting with the Loose Face and Body Shimmer in the shade Gold Dust that I purchased for $1 from Dollar Tree using my AOA F19. Last step is lipstick. Today I am applying the Lockin lip color in the shade Goth Chic. It is a 2-in-1 long wear color and gloss enhancer. This is the completed eye look. I hope you loves enjoyed the tutorial. Out of all the LA Colors products that I used in today's video, the Nude palette is definitely my favorite. I really like how the brown and bronzy shadows complemented the deep purple of the ColourPop liners, and I'm also happy that I matched the waterline to the wing above. I think that added something extra to the look as well. Of course, I would love to know what you thought, so let me know in a comment down below. Also, check out the description for all of the products that I used to create this look. If you're interested in that LA Colors haul, just click on the eye in the top right-hand corner of your screen. And until next time, bye loves!